Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this new episode of Robospital. Robospital is a programming game and we need to repair some robots, some malfunctioning robots using a language programmation Python. So let's jump to our first save. In the last episode, we repaired that printer here, and we learned how to print some strings or variable with the print function of Python. And today we're gonna learn how to do some inputs. So what is our first mission? Okay, so write the following code, all right? If I can, yes. So this is a variable x, and this variable is equal to input, and then we want to print x, okay? And receive a string as input, and then print it as is. Input example powerful, output example powerful. All right, so we want to write in the input powerful. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, when you use the input function, a window where you can enter data appears. Click on this area and enter a string. Okay. So here I want to write a powerful. Okay, submit that. Okay. Okay, so I didn't have to write all the words. So the input was written automatically. Okay. This was an easy mission. Mission 2, inputs, plural. Two strings will be inputs. Print the two strings in order. Okay, so dog, cat, and the output is dog, cat. All right, so I need to, x is the first input, okay? Y is the second input, and then I want to print x and print y. That should be good. Okay, submit. Okay. Okay. I don't know why there is so examples. Two, even one example is sufficient, but okay. And the last mission for this one, change order. Receive 3 strings as input and print them in reverse order. So red, blue, green, and the output is green, blue, red. Okay, so let's say string 1. I don't know if I can do that, but let's say I can. String 2 equals input. String 3 equals input. And then I want to print string 3, and then 2 and 1. Let me test that. Okay, so here red, blue, green. Okay, and green, blue, red. Right, okay, that works. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this was the last mission of this second robot. I won't stop the episode right now. It's a very short episode, and let's continue with the next robot. So what Adeline is saying, you already treating all the patients of the first floor? Yeah. I probably made it through. Okay, I think I can take a short break now. Just a moment, doctor. There's a message from the director. Let me read. La 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 la. Okay. What does this mean? In summary, it means you're being asked to move to the second floor. Okay. Let's go to the second floor then. Dr. Eliza. Okay. Good luck. Thank you. Alright. So. Okay, I want to go to the second floor. Let's go. And I want to find this Dr. Eliza. Maybe, okay. Right, blah, blah, blah. Lot of text here. Don't like that. Data types, okay, perfect. I have troubles with data type conversions. Okay, so numbers, strings, those are types. Okay, right. Okay. Integer, float, and string. Good, good. Okay. Number strings are different. Input is always a string. Okay. Okay, so when we need type casting and convert its type. Okay, put it into a conversion function. All right. Okay. Practice round. What is this place? It's a room for practice, right? So use the int function to put the string inside parentheses. Okay, so for example, here x equals input and y equals int x. So when you use the input function, the result is always a string. Okay, a string. So even if you write a number, the number, let's say here 15. Okay, so you have to convert that string into an int to do some calculation with that, right? So here, if I write the number 15, okay, the result will be 16. Okay, so 15, and the result is 16. Great. So let's move on. Oh, poor robot. So we have 3 missions. Float casting. All right, let's do that. Float casting. So a floating point number is input. Add 1 to the input number and print the result. For example, input example 1.5. So, okay, so x is the input. All right, and we want to change that x string into an integer, and then we want to print y plus 1. Okay, this is exactly what we did earlier. Let's submit that. Okay, I was too fast. 1.5 expected 2.5 in the literal for int with base 10. Yes, of course. I know what I did wrong. You certainly knew that too. This is a float. Submit that. Okay, much better. Okay, I wanted to go too fast and I forgot I was working with floats and not integers. So mission 2, integer casting this time. Okay. Two integers are input at the 2 numbers and print the result. Okay, maybe I can go faster. For example, here int 1 is input, int 2 is input, and just I want to print int1 plus int2. Okay. Okay. All right. And the last mission, float to integer. Okay, a floating point number is input, all right. Change the number to a float data type and then convert it to an int data type and print the result. Okay, so x equals input. Then I want to convert x into a float, okay. Change the number to a float data type and then convert it to an int data type, and then we want to print the result. So first float x, and then we want to convert that float into an integer, and then we want to print this. Okay, this is good. And we can notice that the integer conversion here is not like rounding a number. Okay, so 3.5, the integer is 3, and 318.86, the closest integer of that number is 319. But we see that the integer of a function only keeps the whole part here, the integer part here. Okay, this is it. This is I think the end of that first mission in the floor 2. She's hungry. Okay. Blah blah blah. All right. Thank you. Okay. Perfect timing. What's wrong? Okay. No. Okay, fixing is the top priority. All right. Blah blah blah. Oh, this is awful. More talking. Addition, subtraction. Yeah, okay. Right. Practice round. Okay, numerical calculation should be done with data of type number. Okay. Let's try adding 2 variables and a number. Try following the code like last time. Okay. Write the following code, and I can't copy past that code, so I have to write. So we have an input here, and then we convert the input into an integer. Okay, the same for the y variable, and then result 1 is x plus y, and result 2 is x plus 7. All right. Okay, so print result 1 and print result 2. Okay, then input the number 5 and 3. Result 1 would be 8, which is the sum of the 2 numbers, and result 2 would be 12. Okay. Right. So 5 and 3. So 8 and 12. Good. It came at 12, right? Right. And we have to get a drink. Okay, I'll stop this that episode right here. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we'll do those 6 missions here. Thank you. Bye bye.